Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys why DTI players are upset about the BRATS update. So before this new update, there was a BRATS update and it wasn't the best, I must say. I mean, it was a good collab, but I don't know. In my opinion, it's because of the green, like swampy runway that they have, and the green decor everywhere was a little bit too much for my liking. It wasn't the best, as well as the outfits. I feel like they could have done more with the VIP section, but nonetheless, if you go to codes here, they still have the BRAT items, but you do have to play in like that update or else you won't get it. Here are some of the items that they have. Again, most of it is fine. I like this one the best out of everything. I also like these like thigh belts. I don't know what they're called, to be honest, but that's why a lot of people are disappointed with the update. But nonetheless, I still like this game, and I was really appreciative when the update is just only for a few like weeks, because I couldn't stand like the green decor everywhere. They also like give you an apple, which like you can toggle, and they also give you some new hairstyles as well. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!